The min and max functions are common functions in Excel. They follow a very similar structure to that of count, average, and sum. Let's give it a try. Going to the min first, typing equals min, we see that Excel defines it as returns the smallest number in a set of values, ignores logical values and text. Okay, let's open our parentheses and then select our entire column. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and we see that Excel returns 80, which is the correct answer because it is the smallest value in our column. However, if I go below, type equals max, open our parentheses, and then select this set of numbers, we see that Excel actually returns this really strange number, 44,927, which I can't even see listed in my list. Well, this is because Excel has actually returned the date value from our columns up here. How can I tell this? I can tell this by highlighting my two column headers, going here, and clicking General. And now Excel displays the serial number. The serial number is how Excel stores dates, and it represents the number of days that date is from date 1, which is January 1st, 1900. It's not super important for our purposes to remember this, but just keep in mind that underlying each date in Excel is a serial number. So if you don't want your calculations to be thrown off, make sure to not include them. Okay, let's change it back using Control Z and then change our formulas to only include the sales numbers. So I'm going to go into my min value here, and instead of doing this, I'm going to only include the sales numbers, hit enter, and then the same for my max. Go in here, delete my numbers, and then only choose the sales numbers. That looks more like it. 130 is closer to the max value that I'm looking for. Okay, I can finish this off by using my fill handle to click and drag it over. However, there's an even faster way to do this using the AutoSum feature. Okay, let's give it a go by first deleting all of our contents of our cells. To auto-sum my min values, I first highlight the cells that I want to do the auto-summing in, go to the Formulas tab of the ribbon, go to the AutoSum feature, and click the button Min, or use the shortcut Alt-M UI. That looks good. Let me do it for my max values as well. Once again, just highlighting the ones that I want to find the max for, going to the Formulas tab of the ribbon, and then choosing Max, or using the shortcut Alt-M UM. Now, Excel has properly found the mins and the maxes for us.